I'm back out in the van because, not because I'm going anywhere, but I have to take my garbage out. So this was a good opportunity while I'm out here. I try to do multiple things in one trip, in and out and all that. So I'm going to take care of my trash and then pull the blankets and things out to be washed out of the van. So that's today's task. Maybe get a couple more things out of the back. Okay, got that all stripped out. Made another mess of my pillows. Okay. Okay, and I had just washed and changed all of that a couple months ago, and then I wasn't in here, so the rest of that I think is okay. I might want to change the cover. I've got extra blankets and stuff in that gold pillowcase, pillow sham. I may change the pillow sham for that, but that's later. So next step in getting the van cleaned up. Yes, it's getting to be winter here, so yeah, I've got layers and layers on. Okay, so I'm outside in Ruby. One last time probably in relation to getting her cleaned up and reorganized and winterized. So this is going to be the shutdown of van life with Ruby and Pawsom Fun and Frugal for the winter, as far as I know. Unless something happens and I get called to travel before next spring. So as far as I know, right now, I won't be traveling anywhere again until spring. So, March, April. So, you have to check back if you're coming to my channel for more van life stuff. You have to look back at my other ones. I have lots of older ones, especially the interview with Cheap RV Living. I did an interview. You got to find it. It was a pretty good interview. But I'm just putting some last minute things back in Ruby. Got everything clean, washed and cleaned and organized. And not so much, pretty organized in here. So I have my laundry bag, which goes in the back. I just tuck it on the side back there. I put another, let me turn the camera around. So I have this box. And I had put another blanket on the bed. And I brought the pillow with the extra blankets in it. And this pillow has towels and things. This has some extra sheets and things in there. So that, and then my little pillow I use to put between my legs. So that is the back of Ruby. I put my laundry bag over there. I think I'm gonna put my little special pillow. I like to stick it back here behind these pillows. And then it's like a couch. So, if I'm out and about, it also helps my I wanted to turn the camera around to better explain. So I like to have my van sort of ready in like couch bed mode. Because of my health issues, it's rare, but there's instances where I am somewhere and maybe I am having an orthostatic issue or I'm feeling faint or whatever, that I can just climb into the back of my van for a few minutes and take a break, rest. And this gives me a comfortable place to just chill out if I don't feel safe driving for whatever's going on for me. So I like to have it ready. And then when it comes around time to get ready for a trip, all I have to do is come in, do a little light cleanup, double check, that I have everything I need, make a little list of what I discovered that I need in here. Maybe I need to restock a few things when that time comes. And then I just will have to put things in when that time comes, like the fresh and frozen foods. So I got my travel shoes. These shoes stay in Ruby for when I do my trips. They're not the best shoes for me to wear all the time, so I thought, oh, they make a good pair of spares. So they have their own little drawer where they live. And I did restock my alcohol wipes because I was down to the last one of those. So that's what I wanted to have in here now. So I just stick those in my little tray. So I just put all those things there, just kind of keep them from rolling around too much. If they do, no big deal. And I did notice I left that container. I was giving the dogs water and a utensil that I need to wash, but otherwise she's back in everyday, not every day, but regular driving mode. And in the meantime, if you like any of my other content, like baking, cooking, dogs, organizing, there's a lot of those videos on my channel, and there'll be lots more of the baking and cooking because it's winter, and that's what I like to do when my body lets me do it. I like to do some baking and cooking. Sometimes it's a necessity because of my special diet. So I try to figure out good days that I can get those things done. So stay tuned. Watch out for those videos. I'm trying to work on making them better, more interesting. Still trying to get better at videos. I'm such an introvert, and it's not really my first choice of creative things to do, but I'm trying the best I can right now, and hopefully every day I'll improve. It's slow. I'm usually quick at learning things, but this has not been something I've been quick at. It's not second nature. So anyway, that's it. I'm in Ruby. This is our last Ruby video for this year.